This is Chaitali Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, and finally we have completed 6 years, and today is 6th year annual awards, We and E4BM Awards, Achievers Awards today. Today we have in the entire day, we will be having a jury session, we will be having a panel discussion on what is the contribution of entrepreneurs towards Indian economy. Then we have wonderful financial freedom session by Alpa Shah from Empower Education. And then finally, we will be having a lot of felicitations and awards. These awards were completely, strictly jurified, and we had lovely jury. We had very lovely jury session last week. That is on 18th. We had this Dr. Anil Kumar Garg, Neelam Kumar ma'am, Nandita Puri ma'am, Sharon Prabhakar. They are all our jury members. Raja Lakshmi Joshi, Gargi Nandi, then Mr. Rajesh Manik. So these were our jury, and they had wonderfully. I have lots of thanks. My gratitude to all of them who have come forward and supported us. Our associate partners for today are Sapphire Organic Foods, Pujya Divine, we have Uprise Grow, Empower Education. They have been supporting today. We have various other supporting partners. Thanks to all of them. And yes, all the best to all our nominees who have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
And thank you everyone for making your time today, all the way, some of you from Pune as well. Thank you so much, each and everyone today, and congratulations to all the nominees and awardees. Let's see what happens, but I'm also keeping my fingers crossed for the nominees. कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को? दुख हो रहा है क्या? You all worked very hard. Thank you so much. So about We, thank you, Ruby. She has already explained about We, but a lot of things still, there are some of more things which I want to discuss with you. We all started with 12 members, and then we have done our first event with 100 members, 10th March 2018. Alpa ma'am, Neelam ma'am, Dr. Garg, they all are there from my first launch event. They are always there with me. Thank you so much. They have worked just for 5 years with me. And all of you, thank you, the new members, new committee people, new conveners, thank you. So, about We. Next. So now we are, how many? How many of us? 9,000. Yes, 9,000 plus 10,000 jaldi ho jayega. 9,000 plus 9 locations: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Northeast, Singapore, Lucknow, and few are now in Dubai, few are in Australia, and some of the USA also. Couple of members are there, but they are now not active. But we have to make active all of us together, right?
Yes.
So we are doing a lot of work. We are actually you all know about PR activities, right? So we are doing PR for, most of the PR agencies are doing for the corporate, for politicians, for celebrities, but very few are there who are doing for startups and entrepreneurs, and we are the one. So we are doing it for you all, okay? So we are connecting people to various celebrities. We are doing a lot of other activities, like we are promoting them through media talks, through interviews, and a lot of things are yet coming. Okay, we recently started one of the program with RJ Anirudh. We are doing Start Up. Few of our members have been already interviewed. So looking forward, I mean, with this there are a lot of inquiries came from men कि मैम आप men के लिए कुछ करते नहीं हैं, हमेशा women. तो मैंने बोली चलो ठीक है, let's do something. We started E4BM Enclave for Businessmen 2020, और फिर लॉकडाउन लग गया. लेकिन men के लिए किया, लॉकडाउन लग गया. But anyways, this year in the month of Jan we relaunched E4BM, and now we have an E4BM and We Elite group, where it's a complete active group where there are men, and that's the reason we are seeing so many men today. Congratulations to all the men. Thank you so much. Prabhakar. She is a celebrated singer, public figure, life coach, and corporate trainer. She is our oldest and the member and corporate advisory board member. Then Neelam ma'am, thank you so much who has been here. If you can just stand, big round of applause for her. She's a best-selling author. For 11 books, she has written. She is a biography writer for actress Manisha Koirala and she is our corporate advisory board member. Next, we have my sales guru, Dr. Ani Kumar Garg sir. इन्होंने मुझे MBA में 27 साल पहले पहला सेल्स का पार्ट पढ़ाया था. He is my guru, he is my teacher. And today also he is always with me since my launch of my V. And I also worked with him in one of the companies. So he's a founder of D2H Academy, international motivational speaker, master trainer, Pride of India award winner, and our VK advisory corporate advisory member. Thank you, sir. Next. And Nandita ma'am has conveyed all the best wishes to all the nominees. She couldn't make it today. She has another commitment. So she is the writer, journalist, and columnist, chairperson of Om Puri Foundation, and our corporate V advisory board member since last 5 years, 5+ years. Next. Yes, Rajalakshmi ma'am. Rajalakshmi Joshi, architect and interior designer, national media panelist, political analyst, defense and strategic affairs expert, author, social entrepreneur, corporate advisory of V. She is also here since last 5 years with us. And always supporting me. Thank you so much. आप लोग इनको टीवी में जरूर देखते होंगे डिबेट करते हुए. Yes. Next. And this year and last month we have interviews. Appointed ma'am, Alpha ma'am. We are very pleasure. Thank you so much for being with us. She is the social entrepreneur, author, financial professional, managing trustee, Freedom Foundation. Founder, Empower Education, Vice President Maharashtra MSME and Startup Forum, Bharat. Thank you so much for being our corporate advisory board member, and very soon we will be having more. Next. So our V-Coordinator, and I also want to welcome Gargi ma'am. She is a jury. She was also the jury with us. Very soon we will invite you as our corporate advisory. She's a V Kolkata head, Vaishali Parekh. She has been in V since last so many years, and from the starting, she is owner of Viva Creative, which is into handmade products. Next, she is Ushmita Srivastav. She is the V head from Pune, and she has started with this. I would like to explain. I really want to give this example. She started with the cloud kitchen in Mumbai. Ruchi knows her since beginning, and now I really am very proud of her that she has her own chain of restaurants in Ambivali, Pune, Lonavala, and Panchganga. And now she will be studying in Ayodhya. Yes. So these are some of the events that we do. We celebrate women entrepreneurs, business conclave, and pre-festival exhibitions. These are some of the exhibitions. We keep on doing various events. This is our V-Clean project, which already Ruby has already explained. So this is the V-Clean project. A very small contribution helps to all the members. 28th May every year, it's a World Menstruation Day. I would request your support for all the women, all of less privileged girls. And this is the event calendar. So you all must be there. So in 19th May, we have Wellness Conclave and Awards in association with Pujya Divine. Then we have 25th May Business Meet in Kolkata, 21st June Business Meet in Pune, 28th July Business Presentations in Mumbai in association with Sonali, and 3rd August Business Meet Nagpur, 21st August Business Conclave and Exhibition, 21st September Business Meet in Mumbai, 5th October V's Pre-Festive Exhibition, and 8th to 12th October it is in various places in Durga Puja we have stalls of V members. 31st October Diwali celebrations, December V picnic, movie layout and dance music. December is all celebrations. Okay, and thank you so much. You all must be there. And thank you, Ruby. Over to you.